Hi everybody, Kevin with EA Home Design. We want to give you a tour on another project we recently completed. Very beautiful kitchen and a bathroom. We're going to show you the bathroom in a different video. I'm going to go through this a little bit. I'm going to explain what we did, and you can get familiar with what happened here and what are the possibilities in a kitchen remodeling. Of course, previously here was a smaller island, and the cooking range was in the island, which is right now moved and pushed back against the wall over there, that we could install a hood on the top, which makes it look much nicer, much more functional. And there's a pot filler on there, which we're going to get closer with the camera on it. Let's start from this corner. First, here, before this door was further out, this wall was up to here. We had a corner cabinet, wasted space with a double oven. The refrigerator was on this side, which we moved the refrigerator to here. We removed that big box from here, and now they have a microwave, built-in microwave and an oven in the wall unit next to the refrigerator. And then we shifted the door. We shifted the opening here. There is a pocket door. Actually, it's a double pocket door that we tricked it out. It was pretty difficult to find a pocket door this big, but we connected two doors, as you see, and it looked pretty nice and works pretty good with a pocket door here. As we come next to the range, a 36-inch range, nice hood, and this is called a pot filler. You don't need to move your big pots to the sink, and you can just fill it up right here. Again, we have spice racks, very useful and handy next to the range. And this is a tray divider. You can have cooking sheets or trays in it. For cooking, the Lazy Susan and trash can, double bin trash can, built in, which is pretty nice. Undermount, single bowl sink, and we have also a prep sink in the island with a water filtration system here, which is connected with the second small faucet, as you see. The island is pretty big right now. It's great for any kind of food prepping or even serving for a few people that they can sit around it. Dishwasher. And here we built the coffee station. Like, see on the top, there are cabinets with glass door with lighting inside that you can put your decorative stuff. And here, you move this up, there is outlets inside, and then you can put your coffee pot here. This becomes a coffee station. And whenever you're done, you can put everything back in and just hide it. And it's part of the cabinetry. It's kind of built in. It's pretty nice. Next thing, this island has actually a small wine cooler / beverage center in it, which is pretty cool. You don't need to, open and close your big refrigerator when you have in the kitchen this size. This is pretty handy. And a lot of drawers here, deep drawers for storage. Okay, now we can show you there is a walk-in pantry here that we kind of changed the shelving, redid the shelving, made it much more efficient, which came out pretty cool. And all these little cubbies that you see that we built in is very different than what you see. Normally you see these shelves only, but this is great for organizing and very efficient, which is a great idea for a walk-in pantry. And it looks nice too. Okay, and next we can go. There was a small bar at the other end of this room that we changed the setup. I can show you very briefly that there was an opening before here with the entertainment cabinet center, like big cavities that we closed it up. And we put we changed it, we put all the equipment for the entertainment in this cabinet with glass doors. Became kind of built-in part of the cabinet. And small, you have a little sink. You can still use this as a little mini bar. That will be very helpful. But it came out pretty nice. It's everything, the cables, everything is connected to the TV from the back, from inside the wall. And it made this a clean-cut look for you. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. And just let us know if you have any questions regarding this project or regarding any project that you may have. Just follow us, contact us, and watch our videos and like them. Thank you and have a great day.